If you think you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to make money on YouTube, that's exactly why you're not making money yet. Because right now, there are small creators with under 500 subscribers making money every single day. Not from ads, not from going viral, but from simple systems most people don't even know exist. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 ways to make money on YouTube before you're monetized. And more importantly, how to turn your channel into something that actually pays you consistently. Nobody tells beginners YouTube AdSense is actually one of the slowest ways to make money. Let me explain. You could get 1,000 views, 5,000 views, even 10,000 views, and only make a few dollars. That's why so many people quit. But the creators who understand this one shift, they win early. YouTube is not the business, YouTube is the traffic. Once you understand that, everything changes. Let's start with the simplest one, affiliate marketing. You recommend a product, someone signs up through your link, you get paid. That's it. Now, here's where most people mess this up. They just drop random links and hope people click. That doesn't work. Instead, you want to build your content around the tool. If you're making AI content, for example, you don't just say link in description. Instead, say, this is the exact tool I use to create this video. If you want to try it, it's linked below. Now there's context. Now it makes sense. Now people click. People don't buy links, they buy solutions. Number 2, if you skip this one, you're leaving money on the table every single time, because views don't equal income, ownership does. When someone watches your video, you don't own that audience. But when they join your email list, now you do. So instead of saying subscribe, offer something, a free guide, a checklist, your exact system. Now you're giving them a reason to click. And here's where it gets powerful. You can follow up with them the next day, the next week, the next month. That's how real online businesses are built. Number 3, sell a simple digital product. A lot of people hear digital product and think, I need to build a full course. No, you don't. Start simple. Your product can literally be a Notion template, a PDF guide, a swipe file, something that solves a problem quickly. Let's say your video is how to make money with ChatGPT. Your offer could be, want the exact prompts I use? I put them together for you. Link below. And that's it. You're not selling information, you're selling the speed and the clarity. Now, number 4 is offer a service. If your goal is to make money quickly, this is it. Because instead of waiting for views, clicks, conversions, you're going to go directly to the money. And here's how that works. You make content showing what you can do, then you offer it as a service. So examples of this could be, I'll set up your YouTube system, I'll build your funnel, I'll create your content. And at the end of the video, you say, if you want help with this, reach out to me. That one sentence can literally land you your first client. Number 5, build a simple funnel. This is where things start to become a system. Instead of random links, you create a path. YouTube videos to the landing page, which then leads to the email, which leads to your offer. Now every viewer has somewhere to go. Even if they don't buy right away, they're inside your ecosystem. And this is how you turn 100 views into real income, because you're thinking long term. Number 6 are small brand deals, even with low subscribers. So let's clear this up. You don't need a big audience for brand deals. What you do need is a clear niche, engaged viewers, and that's it. If you're talking about AI tools, YouTube growth, making money online, there are brands that want your audience, even if it's small. So you can start small, like free tools, affiliate upgrades. All of those things add up. I just want to give a huge shout out to my channel members. Thank you. And if you want to join and have your name added to the list, then you can go ahead and click the join button below. Number 7 is coaching calls and strategy calls. And this one is underrated. If you figure something out, even if it's just a little bit, there are people behind you who need help. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead, offer something simple. So book a call with me and I'll help you set this up. So now you're making $5, $10. Then you can make 50, 100, $200 from one person. Number 8 is content creation for businesses. Businesses are struggling right now, not because they don't have money, but because they don't understand content. And you do. So even as a beginner, you understand hooks, editing, AI tools, so you can offer something. I'll create content for your brand using AI. Number 9, turn one video into multiple income streams. Most people post once and move on. Smart creators multiply. One video becomes TikToks, Reels, Shorts, Tweet, each one bringing in new traffic. More traffic equals more opportunities to monetize. And 10, build a system. This is the difference between posting videos versus building a business. A system looks like this: content, then you're going to capture, follow up, and offer. Every video feeds into this. Every viewer has a next step. Every piece of content has a purpose. Once you build this, you stop guessing. Which one of these are you actually going to try? Not sounds good or I'll do it later. Which one are you starting today? Drop it in the comments.